Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at the Bitcoin, and it's the near-term bottom in on Bitcoin. Let's talk about all of that in this video through the lens of technicals. And as I have been saying in the last couple of videos that we are heading towards $89,000. We tested that zone, guys. We got that. All right. 80, we went as low as $89,200 around. So, yep. Now we are bouncing up from there. So, what's next? But before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So we got at our one of the critical important zone. We are bouncing up from there. We hit our target $89,000. If you took a short play when I said that, congratulations, you made a lot of money, right? Now though, that was the target. We hit it. Now what? From here, we are bouncing. Now it's a bounce right now. Overall direction on Bitcoin hasn't really changed. We are still technically in the downtrend on Bitcoin, okay? It is rebounding. It has a room to rebound definitely all the way to $100,000. As I'm saying, it has a room to rebound. Rebound is against the overall direction, which is still bearish to the downside. Definitely our first area is 9. It can also slow down around $94,000. That's also the zone. And if it does, but if it can stabilize sideways here, it has a room to test $100,000. But it won't make it bullish. It's just a rebound right now, because for the bullishness, we'll have to still break out this trend that is to the downside, and definitely we'll have to regain the level above $100,000 from where we are. Now going to the hourly interval. On the hourly interval also we are having a good candle, that's okay. But I want to take you to the weekly interval. Now on the weekly interval, as I'm saying that rebound, take it only as a rebound, guys, because even on the weekly interval, we do have a confluence of the weekly level trend, while on the downtrend of the daily. Let me actually change that line visibility on the weekly as well. All right, so let's get back to the weekly. And as you can see, we have a confluence. Oh, here we go. We have a we have a confluence right over here in this zone of around $100,000. So for a day or two, it can sure continue in this bounce as the bounce is happening. But as we stay below this trend line and this trend line and $100,000, is such an important critical confluence zone that your overall bias is not going to happen to the upside until we get above that. If we can get above that, great, right? That's again full on in the bullish zone, but below that we will remain in the overall bearish zone. Okay, so it's a start. It's a good rebound right now. We hit our target of $89,000 and we are going up from here. All right, before going to Ethereum, I just want to show you a news. El Salvador unveils biggest single day Bitcoin buy of 100 million while crypto slides into extreme fear. Yeah, so they bought a lot of it. Anyways, so that's pretty much I had on Bitcoin. There is definitely all the news about liquidation and all capitulations, but hey, we knew all of this if you have been following my videos. And now let's get to Ethereum real quick. So Ethereum is just like Bitcoin, is trying to find some bounce. Again, it's just a bounce right now, guys. So it's not gonna be like right away, overall bullish. Rebound has a room first to test 3,189, and then after that it has a room to test 3,357, but nothing more than that for now. You will have to take it just as right now a potential rebound, just like Bitcoin, very similar. Now, while I'm talking about that, look at MicroStrategy today, right? Going really strong up. Anyways, there was a trade plan on this thing that I provided to my members, excuse me, on my Patreon. So if you are there, you were aware about this rebound coming in on MicroStrategy. All right, I'm going to talk here on MicroStrategy now. All right, guys, that's all I had for you in this Bitcoin update. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.